There's nothing worse than being caught in the rain without cover. But who wants to carry around a bulky rain suit everywhere you go? This all-weather poncho from Beck provides great emergency protection from the rain. It's available in navy, orange, and lime, with a generous one-size-fits-all design. It has a waterproof rubberizing and a fixed hood with an adjustable press tab neck. It also has press studs down the side, allowing the poncho to be open flat. It can then be used as a ground sheet or a tent shelter. A great emergency option for your car, work bag, or out in the wilderness. This is just one of the workwear solutions available at Builders. For more, visit in store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, check out the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.